Good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Disney's Animal Kingdom. As you approach our bag check tables,
Okay, this is what you will see in Animal Kingdom. There's a lot of animals here.
oh, they have tiger.
I'm on a bridge. That's the bottom.
Now these hippos will spend most of their day in the water just like this, so that's primarily how they'll very, very quick. And they need to be. Cheetahs are going to be one of their main predators around here, so they got to be able to have been known to meet up. They'll form groups of up to 1.5 million, and they're going to migrate anywhere from 500 to 1,000. You can tell that by looking at the pattern of their patches. They have very jagged patterns to their patches, which is they are the tallest terrestrial animals, so they're going to stand about 18. Now these cattle are the only domestic animals we'll see, so during the daytime the farmers let them out to graze in many African communities. So the more cattle you own, the bigger the cattle, the bigger the horns. Alright, well here's our Tower of Giraffes, and as you can see there's some of the little ones, the younger ones in there. You guys are just like, look like you saw like the end of the world or something. They're all just kind of looking around. So these guys will actually spend most of their day eating. As you can see, some of them, all their mouths are moving, yeah. So about 16 up to 22 hours of the giraffe's day is devoted just to eating. Now to help out with all that eating, they have incredibly long herds called bachelor herds of a couple individuals, you know, usually when they're on the younger side, still trying to figure out. She herself may not have seen for decades. And that's why the matriarch is usually one of the older ones of the group, so she'll have a little bit more life experience behind her that can really lend her to lead the herd well. Now not every female will grow to become a matriarch though, so they do have to show leadership qualities about them and earn the respect of their fellow herd members. So it's a title earned, definitely not one given. And if your routine builds up in their system for the pigments to start in the direction that they want to go. It looks like we have a face. Take a look at it. You can see the relation there. They have the same very long structured. We have lost half of the world's lion population, so we have partnered with the Disney their owners around here, but they're probably not too far. How you use the resources around you, like water or gas, or even maybe something as simple as